I'm Jessica Biltz, and I'm going to talk about sound perception and hearing in fish. Most fish live in areas of reduced visibility, and therefore they have to rely heavily on their sense of sound in order to survive because they can't rely on their sense of vision. Fish use hearing and sound for a variety of different daily activities such as schooling, tracking, and detecting predators. Fish ears are very complex and they can perform many different functions, including differentiating between a predator and prey, determining the direction from which a sound comes from, and determining the nature of one sound amongst other sounds. Fish use two different methods to hear, which are the ear and the lateral line system. First, I'll talk about the fish ear. The fish ear is very similar to the human ear, except it lacks the pinna or middle ear, and also the earlobe. The inner ear of the fish is behind the eye and controls both balance and hearing. The ear is composed of three chambers, the utriculus, succubus, and lagina. The ear canals are called the labyrinth and contain ampulla with cupula on each end. When a fish moves its body, the fluid in the canals move to the cupullae, and then in the cupullae, the fluid presses against hair cells, which sends a signal to the brain, and then the brain perceives it, and this is how the fish perceives sound. In addition to the ear, fish also make use of the lateral line system. The lateral line system is made of rows of mechanosensory cells, which are found on the fish's body and head. There are receptors that pick up slight movements in the water surrounding the fish, and they're called neuromast. The position of the neuromast depends on the species of the fish. For example, in some fish, the neuromasts are found on the fish's body, while in others they are found within the canals. In conclusion, fish rely heavily on their sense of sound and hearing in order to survive because of the reduced visibility in their environment. Fish use two methods in order to hear, which are the ear and the lateral line system. And hearing by sensing vibrations in the water greatly helps fish to survive.